Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm gonna do another quick how-to. It's kind of more just like a did you know video about your Instapot. So I learned a few things on TikTok. One of those blew my mind. Should have read the manual, but I didn't. Nobody does. So I'm gonna share those with you today. So here's our Instapot. When you're done, you take the lid off, and most people just put it right on the counter like that. That's what I do. But then the counter gets all wet. Well, there's these little holes on the side, which is indicated in the manual. So when you take your lid off, you just put this right on the side, and then it holds the lid for you. You can also take your little spoon things, and then they just hang right on the side. The other thing I just learned is that this lid, this whole entire thing, can go right in the dishwasher. So according to their website, they say every piece on this is dishwasher safe. So I usually just rinse it, but now it's gonna go in the dishwasher. Now, this pot always gets washed by hand, but if you want to sanitize it and get a really good cleaning, there is something else you can do. So you can take 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and some lemon slices, put it in the pot, then turn it to the steam setting for like 4 minutes, and it will clean and sanitize the whole thing. So those are a few things, again, that I learned from TikTok. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a video. And I'll talk to you later.